Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, we are seeing tremendous change in the attitude of Microsoft and of Windows, the Windows team right now in 2026. And we're kind of surprised at why all of these changes. And the reason could be interesting. So let's go back to the good days where Panos Panay was head of Windows and Surface devices. He had his own vision, his own way of doing things. He was pushing hard Windows to have and to be a little bit more like a Mac, and of course pushing the different Surface devices. And of course, he left the company in 2023. So he was from 2018 to 2023 head of Windows. But something happened between 2023 and 2026. There was literally no one at the head of Windows. So what does that mean? That means you had a ton of developers, a ton of engineers that were all pushing their own agenda and doing their own stuff. And so this is the time where we got all sorts of things happening within Windows. And it came from different parts of, the Windows team and other places at Microsoft, and was kind of the result of Windows 11 being inconsistent and having all of these features that people don't ask and having pretty much no fixes most of the time about anything. And it was kind of lost, I guess. And it took time for Windows to have a new leader. And it happened in Pavan Davuluri. And what's interesting is that one of the things that Pavan Davuluri is known for is that wherever he has worked at Microsoft, things have changed for the better in almost every part of Microsoft where he was head of departments. Now he's become head of the Windows and Surface team. And we already see, after only, quite a few months, how things are changing. And I think that's his way of doing things. He's just arrived. Now there's somebody to lead the teams. They're not lost. They're being directed by this guy. And he's probably seen the mess that's left on Windows 11 over the few years where no one was there. And he wants to fix that. He wants to look at, okay, people are really complaining and we're getting bad reputations here. Something's not right. We need to work on things to improve. And he's the guy that if, he is on the Windows team like he was in other parts of Microsoft, he's going to get things done. And notice how we've been having the impression that suddenly somebody's listening to users. Well, this guy is the one that's doing that. And this is why probably year 2026 is going to be a great year for Windows 11 to improve upon. He wants to have things done. He wants to fix the problems, and he wants to give Windows 11 a better image. So this is going to be interesting. And also one of the things that he did say, Copilot will not go away, but it'll be a little shy. It won't be everywhere. It will even be removed from places where it is right now. So I think this guy is good news for Windows. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.